So we ordered a full box of car parts, but they are not those car parts you want normally to install. So, starting off with handbrake pads, or whatever they are called, from ATE. Look like that. Looks pretty good. Then we have some automatic, like those tensioners for the handbrake cable for both sides. We've got some springs. We have our brake dust shields for the rear, because I think they will probably be very rusted, as I can imagine. Then we have, that's my Stabilisator. Was ist Stabilisator auf Englisch? Stabilizer? No, I don't know. The thing that is part of the roll bar in the front, if that makes sense. Yeah, whatever. And from the best, let's say, the best make of automotive car parts from Ridex, we we have got the rear shocks. So we will see if they will break after 1 week or not. I hope not. But they were very cheap, like 14 euros a piece. So we are starting with the rear with the handbrake pads. First of all, we obviously need to get the wheel off. Next step is remove the spring, the brake caliper, and the brake disc. For all of you wondering if we will get new brakes, no we don't, because it's on a budget. We will just keep this car alive. That's our main goal for now. So we removed the brake caliper, now we need to remove this holder thing, whatever it's called. Yeah, looks as I expected, honestly. Okay. So we now removed the brake disc, and yeah, the brake pads of the handbrake are, well, they are not done completely, but we'll change them anyways. So we got a good gripping handbrake, which is always nice to have. So yeah, now to disassemble the handbrake, you actually only need to remove the bottom spring here, the one right down there. Okay, and then we remove the bottom spring. Now we have this spring, screw, whatever thing that is holding the brake pad. You're just gonna press it and rotate it 90 degrees. And then it will pop right out. We've got a second one here. Very nice. And then you can grab it by the ends and pull it out. And that is your whole handbrake assembly, and it's falling apart already, which is always a good sign to have it changed. Also, we have our automatic retensioner thing here that I mentioned before. It will probably be enough if you just like clean it properly and you could put it back together, but you're not talking about financial breakdowns if you're buying those things as new. Alright, so I'm an idiot and I need to leave the old dust shield on for now because I didn't order those screws, and those screws are rusted 16 mil. If I will try to remove them, I will probably destroy them completely, and I don't have any new ones. So we're just going to use the old dust shield and put the other parts on. So the whole mechanism is mounted, and now we're just going to throw everything back together, and yeah. So both sides are ready. I've assembled this side and made the other one as well. Now the next step is to go to the right front side and check why my brake caliper is not working properly. I hope it's not broken. That would mean we need to buy a new one. So on that side I will just pretty much remove the brake caliper and then we'll see. Okay. So to save you the process, what I'm doing here, I will just apply some WD-40 inside the caliper. Then I'll try to push it back. And then we'll see. I don't know.